Now this is how we can turn off the Safe Search in Google Chrome on your Android. So let me talk about it and show you a few things. So if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So we can get inside of the Google Chrome right away. Let's say that you are browsing a website, whatever, but you can tap on the three dots in the top right and proceed to the settings. So you can find the settings almost entirely at the bottom. So click on it as such, and you want to scroll through the options, right? And as you are inside of the settings, just navigate over to the privacy and security right in here, and you have plenty of options you might be interested in changing, but one of them is going to be the safe browsing, and you can click on it and you have three options to pick between. We have enhanced protection, a standard one, and no protection, which says in the brackets that it's not recommended, but you can also switch to that, and this means that you turn off the safe search and a safe browsing, and it just protects you against the browsing, dangerous websites and so on. So it is possible that you mean this when you are wondering about the safe mode. But on the other hand, if you mean like that specific websites get blocked, right, then in that case, it might be a little bit of a different story, because if websites get blocked, they might be blocked by the Family Link app, which is like an app dedicated for that reason only, right? So if you have on your phone the Family Link, then you need to make sure that it either allows the websites that you want to visit, or you can switch to a different account, right? So using this app, especially if somebody else has a different Android phone who controls your phone, then, well, we will not really be able to do much to get outside of that. And yeah, also it might happen that if you are connected to a Wi-Fi, there might be some DNS settings in place, meaning that those are blocking some websites and not your phone. So try also switching to the mobile data instead to see if that makes any difference. So yeah, that is essentially what I wanted to show you. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to fix your issue and kind of like manage your device in here. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the future uploads.